Hi guys, we are back at the Vineland Premium Outlets and we're going to go into the Disney Character Warehouse store. Very easy to find. You find the food court, you'll find Disney Character Warehouse store. But they have a lot of good stuff in there. If this is your first time watching me, welcome. And we hope that you stay around and enjoy the show. Because sometimes it can be a real show. We are doing lives now on Mondays, and last Monday it went over an hour, and I don't plan my lives to be more than 45 minutes at the most, and it went over an hour because we were having so much fun. So this Monday we will be doing it at 5 p.m. So that way, 5 p.m. Eastern Standard Time. That way my UK friends can join this live. So once a month I will be doing the live at 5 p.m. And so that's this coming Monday. Today's Wednesday. It's Warehouse Wednesday. I'm coming to the warehouse, Disney Character Warehouse store, every Wednesday to film. So you know where to find me on Wednesdays. And of course, I have my little buddy who just turned 4 yesterday. So he comes, he loves it. He loves the people there. He's got girlfriends in there like you wouldn't believe. Everybody knows who Obi is. So we're gonna go in. Let's go. Pretty quiet here today. Not a lot of people right now, but it's just shortly after 10 a.m. The store opened at 10, so it's not very busy. So it's a good time to come, but don't tell anybody. That way it doesn't get too busy again. Well, they still got a lot of Christmas stuff featured right here as soon as you come in the store. And of course, they do have the Doonies. I'm not seeing any new since last week. I don't know if I showed you guys last week about the Jungle Book one or not, but they've got a couple of them, and they're going for $180. Well, here are some pins. They go for $3.99. Let me see. We have some stickers. $1.99. And I threw that one on the ground. I have to pick that one up. Rock and roller coaster. So there's a couple of them, and then there's some keychains over here going for $3.99. Got some Star Commander keychains, and then you've got these lanyard holders with the, let's see, you got more of them. They're $12.99. And some more keychains. Oh, bubble bar, $25. And $30. There's some more pins and keychains. Pop sockets still here for $7.99, but they have Christmas ones on this side. And no price on them. They're probably $7.99 also, since the other ones are $7.99. This Tiana backpack is new. It's a Disney one for 20 bucks. That's kind of cute. And you got some sandals, flip-flops. And they have a lot of the $15 Starbucks mugs or tumblers. They have boxes of them. They got a lot of new Tiana collection. So it looks like some Tiana pictures, some mugs. And then there's quite a few outfits from Tiana up there. That sweater is really cute. There's some cute jackets up there. They're too far up for me to really see. Let me see. $25. Oh, they have a lot of these bread boxes. $21. And they still have a lot of Figment. These I think are $15, and the mugs are $15. Starbucks tumblers for $10. Nothing new with the Christmas that I can see. Everything's still the same from last week. And of of course, they still got Halloween stuff. And then there's some racks with clothing. Star Wars sweaters.
Just being a part of the family is the experience.
$75. Alright, this is a new mug. $11. From the Mexico Pavilion, if you didn't know. There's quite a few of the tumblers, and they've come back with some more outfits for your dolls here for $1.99. Like, I like this one. That one's cute. This one's cute. I like the color. And they have some spirit jerseys still. Remember, the spirit jerseys will fit on the shoulder pets. Alright, this is weird. $1 for some M&Ms. Look at their little cute outfit. Oh, and they got the little boy outfit there too. Those are cute. Phone cases. They don't have very many anymore. They haven't been carrying any. We got Miss Marvel over here and Doctor Strange dolls. Not sure what they go for. Let's see if I can find out. $20. Then up here you have some smaller ones that are going for $20 also. Clothes pretty much still the same. There's that dress I bought. I brought it back. It was too big on me, so I didn't get it. Alright, we've seen the Mary Poppin one. What is it? Right over here. I know. This one's Peter Pan. So there's a Peter Pan. And Beauty and the Beast. Beauty and the Beast. And this could be used, I think, for a tea bag if you have tea. Or you could put a cookie in it. Or a biscuit. You never know. And they go for $12. Sweating, starting to get hot. It is 77 degrees at 11 a.m. and the sun's warm, so it's making me sweat. Obi and I are back in the car. It was going early in the morning. It's really busy in there. I need to go later, but then if I come later, it's hard to find a parking spot. So you damned if you do and damned if you don't. So I just damned myself by coming early today. So we did get in there, but really nothing new from last week. A couple things, but nothing really exciting. I didn't see anything that I had to have, you know. You know how it gets when you see something and you're like, I have to have that. That I have to have. I didn't see anything. But you probably seen something you liked, didn't you? If you've seen something you like, comment down below what it was. Overall, you know, I like coming here. I'll still keep coming here every Wednesday. May not be mornings, maybe later in the day. It really depends. But Obi and I had a few things we have to do today, and I'm trying to take it easy. My heart rate's been high lately, and short of breath more. Just waiting to get that heart cath done. Hopefully they call me today and they can do it Monday. We were supposed to have done it 2 days ago, but there was a mix-up with my insurance and it didn't get approved, and so we got it all figured out by Monday. So now we're just waiting for them to call me, put me on the schedule. His next available is what he needs to put me at. So hopefully Monday. He only does them on Monday, so hopefully this coming Monday I can go and have it done and get some answers on why I'm having a heart problem. I think that's pretty much it for us today. I might head over to the Springs and go to Gideon's and get the menu, because each month I pick up a menu for a friend, and since it is the 1st, we might go check that out, because I can park in the orange or the lime garage, and it's just a straight walk right over the bridge there. So maybe we might do that. I think we might, but I won't be doing any walking around the springs. It'll be just to Gideon's and back. That's about as far as I can go. He's tired. He met a lot of new friends today, didn't you? Yeah, he had a lot of new friends today. Alright guys, that's it for me today. And if you're new here, remember, thank you. And if you would hit that subscribe button, that would help me out a lot. Share my videos, thumbs up, comment, and don't forget, if you're the first one to leave a comment, make sure you write first down below. It's just a fun little game that I've been playing with another YouTuber, and BB's Adventure and I, we've been doing that first thing. So if you get to this video first and you're the first one to comment first. Let's play going. Let's have some fun. Alright guys, if I haven't told you lately, thank you for being here, and I love you all. Bye.